of Penrose signals, and Wabco barriers and Western Cullen Hayes mechanical bell. So yeah, that's it. Ding, 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 ding. Here it comes, it's a DL 9135. That was short. Yup. Right, I'm here again at Tyne Street level crossing. This level crossing was upgraded last month to Western Cullen Hayes E-Bells. There's a train just down the line there. If I zoom in, might be able to just see the light from the front of it. Yup, Bath Street's gone down. So this one will go off in a minute too, as well as Queen Street. Yup, I just heard it. Queen Street's gone down too. So this is probably going to go off in a second. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. So we've got Western Cullen Hayes lights installed on a Montrose of Penrose bracket and a Western Cullen Hayes E-Bell and Wabco barrier. So yep, that is it. There's another train coming, it's the Capital Connection. Just down there. So this is going to activate in a minute. I'm back at Tyne Street level crossing for another video. Yep, I just heard it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yep, here we go. Doesn't have the slow E-Bell ring on this side. Capital connection. DFB 7322. That's the capital connection. So there we go. Yep, so that's it.